Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming image clarity and language. That's critical because OCR quality sets the rest. Next, run a quick OCR pass with your chosen engine, Tesseract, or Cloud Vision so you can see raw text and layout. While that runs, make sure character encoding is UTF-8 and target language is selected. This prevents garbled characters. Once you have the extracted text, scan for obvious OCR errors like joined words or missing diacritics, and mark regions that need manual correction before translation. Once the text is clean, you focus on context and consistency. Manually correct ligatures, punctuation, and split or joined words so sentences make sense. This improves machine translation accuracy. Create a mini glossary for names, brands, and technical terms and lock those translations. Then select your translation engine, Neural MT for natural phrasing, or a rule-based system for fidelity, and feed in the clean text plus glossary. While translating, keep layout tags or markers so line breaks, captions, and formatting remain intact. You finish by proofreading the translation directly on the image to catch tone mistakes and misaligned text. Check idioms and numeric forms such as 1/, 2, or 3. 5. Make layout adjustments, font size, line spacing, and alignment so the translated text fits naturally. Export both final assets and an editable source file for future edits. If text overflows or characters break, revert to the cleaned OCR output, expand text boxes, or swap to a condensed font. That single troubleshooting step solves most layout problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.